Hi, so this is the fifth video of my series of making 1,000 videos. So in this video, I just want to talk about the consistency. Like most of us think that consistency means to post daily, to make daily, and but in the beginning you fail a lot. Like if I tell you that I have a challenge, like I have a challenge of making 1,000 videos, and I was working on other, like I got some clients and working on some apps and some like systems. So it was not able for me to make content. Yes, I do it. I know that it's not the reason to stop making content. It is just like it is not the reason I stop content, but I do that. I stop making content, but I want to make more content. So consistency is not like to do everything and to do all the things with on a same level. So first day you may do 10 things, the second day you may do one thing, and the third day you may do 8 things, and the fourth day you will may do 5 things. So it is like its graph is not like this one or this one. It's graph like ups and down. So this is the consistency. Okay, I just want to make the video, so I do not want to waste this challenge. Also, like I have a challenge of making 1,000 videos. I make a lot of challenges and I stuck. Sometimes I stuck in working with other things and I stopped. But I have to complete this challenge of making 1,000 videos. So it is the sixth video of making 1,000 video. I'm not going to edit it, I'm just going to post it and will improve in the coming videos, because I am going to make like a framework and I am working on it for recording my videos that will be